I'm so happy to be coming to you with a really special partnership that we have created with KA and UKelikethepros. And in this video, I'm going to talk about some pre-sale offers that we are doing, packages, not just simply the ukes, but some amazing packages, some limited edition packages that we are going to offer right now as we get ready to bring these two amazing models. We actually have 3 of each model that I'm going to show you here in this video. We also have 3 separate packages: a platinum package, a premium package, and just the ukulele itself. So it's been a great journey here with UKelikethepros, from starting, like literally starting, was doing some courses, doing Facebook Live videos for 9 months. We did a Facebook Live every day for 9 months a few years back. To building this fantastic community that we have at UKelikethepros, to getting into selling ukuleles, getting into, my house was completely packed. The living room, my office, the garage, even my wife's and I bedroom, packed to the ceiling with ukuleles as we were shipping stuff straight from our house, to moving into our first warehouse, and now to our second warehouse where we currently are now, and then being able to partner up with brands like KA and introduce the UKelikethepros model ukulele. Let's look at these things here. I'll go over each one. I'll go over all the sizes, but these are ukes that we worked really hard on and I'm really proud on, and they're not here yet, but they're coming. And so we're gonna do these pre-sale earlier bird special packages for these amazing ukes. So if you're ready, let's dive into these, and I'll talk to you a little bit about the packages and how you can get in on the early bird special, where you're going to save up to 20% off of these just for helping us, supporting us, and getting in early on these particular ukes. All right, let's get started. So I wanted to start with this uke. Now this is a really stunning looking uke. You're not going to find anything else out there, and these are only for UKelikethepros. As a matter of fact, you can see the KA and the UKelikethepros logo right there. So this is called the JT series. So the JT series, we come in 3 sizes. The tenor, the concert, and the soprano long neck. So soprano with a concert neck. I'm going to show you all 3 of them. But what we did with these, we wanted to come in with a uke that is built well, that sounds good, that plays good, but is at an absolutely fantastic price point. A great price point for those that are maybe beginners. They make great gifts, or if you're just looking for a uke that you can travel with, you can take to the beach, then these are phenomenal instruments. And the tenor and the concert come with a pickup. So how cool is that? So these are, and this is a tenor size, 17-inch scale lengths, 1 3/8 nut width here. Sound absolutely incredible. Okay, these do come with, besides the cutaway, and you notice that cutaway. But what happened with the wood is kind of an interesting story. We have the Jati wood, and then this was supposed to be teak. That's why it was the JT series. But they accidentally put rosewood here, which actually is stunning, and then the Jati wood here on the other side. So this is a tri-top. Now these are all laminate, okay? That's what helps keep the price at a fantastic price. And also very durable, being all laminate. And then you have the cutaway, and then you have the Jati wood on the sides and the back, 100% laminate body here. And then the cool etched rosette here with the KA. This is a tuner, and then 3-band EQ, the treble, the mids, and the bass for this one, right? So this is a tenor. This is the JT, the JT, Justin Timberlake, my staff was saying, the JT-T for the tenor, -C cutaway E with electronics. This is the second one, and by the way, we have these special packages I'll get to in a second, but this is the JT-C, the concert, again with the cutaway and a pickup. Exactly the same, nothing changes here, except the scale lengths. You got the 15-inch scale lengths, you still have the 1 3/8 nut width here, but absolutely really cool, just a little bit of a smaller body. Then the third one we're doing from this JT series is a soprano with a concert neck. So soprano long neck. Now what we did with this one is we didn't do the cutaway. This helps because it helps keep the sound a little bit bigger, especially here on a soprano. No EQ on this one. This one doesn't plug in, and you have the 15-inch concert scaling. So it gives you that real small, easy to hold soprano, but it gives you a little bit more space here. A little bit more space for your fingerings. All right, let me talk about now the packages we have for this one, and then I'm going to show you the second uke that we have. All right, so we're going to have a platinum pack. Okay, so the platinum pack is going to come with your choice of the tenor, the concert, or the soprano long neck. Again, this is early bird special, so you're going to get a discount by getting them now, and then when they come into stock, then we will ship them out to you. So you're going to choose what particular uke you want. You're going to have a hard shell case. Remember, this is a platinum pack. You're going to get a hard shell case with that. You're going to get a collar strap. You're going to get a collar capo. You're going to get the UKelikethepros microfiber cloths. I don't know if you've seen those. They're absolutely stunning, blue with our logo on it. You're going to get a UKelikethepros peg winder. You're going to get some UKelikethepros picks. You're going to get access to the UKelikethepros practice and technique workshop. You're going to get a collar tuner. Remember, this one doesn't come with a tuner. You're going to get a collar tuner. We're going to throw in a bovetta, an advanced setup. That's right, an advanced setup with this. Access to the VIP of the launch party that we're going to have for this, a signed certificate of the instrument, and a free month membership at our ukelikethepros.com. If you're already a member, we can donate that membership to somebody else. Now, this is a platinum pack. Okay, this is the top of the pack that we have. We're going to be limiting these to 25 people. Okay, so 25 people for the platinum pack. Absolutely stunning, and actually you get a lot of great value with that. Now, if you don't want all that, we're going to have a premium pack. Okay, that's number 2, the premium pack. The premium pack is just a little different. You still get to choose between the tenor, the concert, and the soprano uke, but this time you get a collar gig bag with it included. You're going to get a collar strap, collar capo, the UKelikethepros cloths that I told you about, the peg winder, some picks. You're going to get access to the UKelikethepros practice and technique workshop. You're going to get a basic setup on these, which is not quite the advanced setup, but still a really cool option. And then you're going to get access to the launch party. Okay, it's not going to be the VIP like the platinum, but still you're going to get access to the launch party with things. And again, you're going to get 1 month premium membership. If you're already a member, again, we can donate that to somebody. All right, so that's a premium pack. Now, we're also, if you just want to be interested in the uke itself, okay, you can get either one of the ukes, tenor, concert, or soprano. You're still going to get access to the launch party, and you're still going to get 1 month membership. So those are the 3 packs that we have. It's going to be the same packs for the other uke. I'm about to get to those, but those are the 3 packs for the JT series. All right, now this one, I'm really proud of this one as well. So remember the JT, the first one, that was more of a entry-level uke, travel uke. This one, we went a little bit bigger. What we did was we actually thought of my favorite guitar in the world, which is a Gibson SJ200, which is their jumbo size guitar, and I wanted to do something like that for the ukulele. So this one is a SSMHG solid spruce top with the cool tobacco burst, and then we got laminate sides of mahogany, and then we have 3 sizes for this one: the concert, the tenor, and the baritone. So these are absolutely phenomenal. I couldn't be happier with the way these turned out. So you got the solid spruce top, you got the super cool tobacco sunburst on this one, you got the binding, top and bottom binding, the laminate mahogany sides and back. This one does have a gloss finish, while the JT, that one has a satin finish or a natural finish. Now, we also got the nice purfling, the beautiful rosette, the solid mahogany necks, the cool behind the headstock tuners. Now check out the top here. You got the gold collar and the Ukelikethepros right there on it. Ebony fingerboard, and also here on the bridge. So we really we stepped this up a little bit, but we didn't want to go too crazy. That's why we went with the solid top, but laminate sides and back. But it still absolutely sounds incredible, looks amazing, feels amazing. Okay, this is a tenor one right here, 17 inches, just slightly under 1.5 inch nut width right here, and absolutely fantastic. We do have the 3 packages for all these. I'll go over those again with you with this one, but this one is the tenor size. Now we'll go to the smaller one because I got the baritone I want to bring out as well. But we have the same thing, except notice the body is just a little different because this is a concert size, okay? Okay, so a little bit easier to hold, a little bit smaller body. Everything's the same except for the concert size body. Same woods, same everything. The 15-inch scale length, just slightly under 1.5 inch nut width here as well. But absolutely stunning. This again is the SSMHG solid spruce mahogany, and then -C, which is a concert. Notice these are straight acoustic. None of these have a pickup in them. And then you know how much I love baritone. At UKelikethepros, we got all our courses for baritone, we do Q&A, so I had to throw in a baritone size. Absolutely fantastic. Now they're gonna come standard baritone tuning, the D, G, B, E, but of course we do have strings if you wanna tune it like a regular ukulele. Okay, this is your bigger baritone size, your 20-inch, your 1.5 inch nut width, your 20-inch scale length. Same exact instrument, all the woods exactly the same, except this is the baritone size. Now notice this one has actually got really cool, it's got a little bit of flame on it, but yeah, absolutely, an absolutely dream to play. So we're gonna do the same 3 packages for this particular model, just like we did for the other ones. We're gonna have the limited edition platinum pack, okay? You're gonna get the baritone, the tenor, or the concert. You get to choose with that one. You're gonna get a hard shell case. You're gonna get the collar strap, the collar capo, the UKelikethepros microfiber collar, the UKelikethepros peg winder, UKelikethepros picks. We're gonna have access to the UKelikethepros practice and technique workshop, as well as a collar tuner, Bovetta advanced setup. Those are normally 85 bucks, and my luthiers, they spend about an hour, sometimes even longer. They just spend as much time as needed to get the setup done and make sure it plays as well as it can. I mean, they're going to lower the action, they're going to round off all the frets, round off the nut. I mean, it's absolutely fantastic what they do. That's going to be included. VIP access to the launching party, signed certificate of the instrument, and then a 1 free month membership over at ukelikethepros.com. Again, these are limited. The platinum ones are limited to 25 people. So I want to take advantage of it because right now, again, we're in early bird special pre-order, and I want you to save some money as well as supporting us and get a fantastic instrument. So that's the platinum package. Hey, you want to be one of the first 25 to sign up for that. Now we have the same package as before, which is the premium package. Okay, the premium package, very similar, except you're going to get your choice of the uke, the baritone, the concert, the tenor. You're going to get a gig bag with it. You're going to get a collar strap, collar cable, UKelikethepros cloth, UKelikethepros peg winder, UKelikethepros picks, UKelikethepros ukulele and practice technique workshop, a basic setup. Those normally run about 30 bucks. They really focus more on getting the strings as low to the fretboard here without buzzing, access to the launch party, and then the 1 free month of the premium membership. Okay, so you're gonna get that. That's the premium model. Okay, that's a premium package. Very cool as well. Gonna save you a little money, but you still get a lot of bonus stuff with that. Then, if you just want the uke, okay, if you just want one of these ukes, again, the baritone, the concert, or the tenor, you can do that. And then that package is gonna have access to the launching party because we want you to come and join us, and then 1 free month of the membership as well, included with the straight ukulele. I'm beyond excited to introduce the KA ULTP collaboration with these 2 ukes. Again, this is the SSMHG, the solid spruce mahogany. This is the JT, which is a Jada, but rosewood instead of the teak, what it's supposed to be, which is absolutely fantastic. Ukes, again, they come in the different models. We have the 3 different packages. I want you to have these, and I want you to save some money by helping us out, because you are really helping us out when you order right now during the pre-sale, the early bird special, and then as soon as these come in, which I cannot wait, we're gonna have that launching party and we're gonna start shipping these ukes out. So anyway, I appreciate your support with everything we've done, from the ukelikethepros.com website to the store.ukelikethepros.com website. You've helped us become the #1 site online to not only learn ukulele, but also to get a ukulele or accessories. That doesn't happen without you. So we are really appreciative here, and thank you for helping us grow and helping us get these particular Kala and ukelikethepros models, ukes in. You're gonna love them. I love them. I'm super proud of them, and I cannot wait for you to join in the platinum, the premium, or just get one of these fantastic ukes and make a great gift for somebody or a great new ukulele for you. So thank you again, and congratulations for getting one of these new ukes from Kala and ULTP-SSMHG.